Hey guys, so today I'm going to open a couple of the TOPPS Chrome boxes with you guys. I got a couple of these at our Walmart, our local Walmart today. So let's see the difference in these ones. These ones are a little bit bigger than the regular 1999 ones. These ones have 50 cards inside, and let's see what the big difference is. So these ones have quite a few more than the 1999 ones. Looks like we have two special packs right here. We'll put those to the side. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs. So 10 packs and 2 special packs. And now let's get right into it. All right. Ronald Guzman, Ryan O'Hearn, Josh Hader, and Max. So these are comes with 4 in a pack. Looks like our special packs have 5 bonus X Factor cards in them. All right. Paul DeLong. We got a Sean Reed and a David Perlotta. Oh, let me put my rookies in a separate pile. We like rookies. That one's kind of cool. This one looks so... It's like a transparent rookie. Rookie Chrome. I haven't done a video in a few days. Sorry, guys. Been real busy with the kids, working, trying to get my business going. We have a marketing and advertising business, Current Cash Collective. And we have our own website too. You can look us up at current-cash-collective.com. And it has all of our information on there. If you're looking into any advertising or marketing, we specialize in social media. Look at this one. We got a Dylan Cousins. We got a special one. It's a Future Stars. With the rookie? Yeah. Oops. We got Louis Brinson, Eloy Jimenez, DJ Stewart, and A. Raymond Loreno. We got 2 rookies in here. Which ones? This one? I didn't. I haven't checked the backs yet. You can do that for me. Okay, we got another rookie. We got a freshman flash rookie, Jake buyers. Cleveland Indianas. We'll put that in the rookies. Another rookie, couple rookies. That whole pack was a rookie almost. You want to check those ones? These ones are rookies. Rookie. We got a Corey Kubler, Jacob DeGrom, and a Blake Snell. Let's see if any of them. Nope. These ones all look real nice.
Yeah, chrome edition.
Mm-hmm. And this one is Mike Trout. Greatness Returns. We got another rookie. Got two rookies in this one, and we got a Evan Longoria. Whoops. And we got a special one. A Whit Merrifield on the Royals. Let's open these. You want to open these ones now, or you want to open them all together? Open them now?
All together.
All together, yeah. There we go. And this one has two more chromes, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 regular packs. We'll open up the special ones together. You guys see my nice little picture? My background picture. Alright, so we got another freshman flash rookie. Oops. Freshman flash rookie, Christian Stewart. I'll put that right there. No rookies. I like the chromes. They all look special. We got a couple. Oh, look, we got two rookies. Kyle Wright and Pete Alonso. I'm looking on the back just to see if we got any real special ones. Alright, Corey Seager, Miguel Cabrera, Sean Reed again, and a Carlos Martinez. No rookie. Oh, one rookie. Just kidding. These ones don't have too many rookies in them. We got another freshman. This one's got a little championship cup on it. We got another future All-Stars. Nick Hingman. We got a Lewis Brinson, Max Kepler, Whit Merrifield, and Tim Anderson. No rookie. I'm not getting too many rookies out of these. We got a Paul DeLong, Trevor Story, Corey Kluber, and a Matt Olson. Charlie Blackmon, Jesus Aguilar. We got a Greatness Returns, Bryce Harper, and a Mikael Franco. And again, no rookies in this one. Oh, here we go. Nick Birdie, Bryce Wilson, David Perlotta, and a Lucas Giolito. And we got 2 rookies in this one. Evan Longoria, Justice Sheffield, oh, a Ronald Jr. We got a nice one on the Braves. Got a rookie, just 2 rookies out of that one, but we got this special one. Ronald Guzman, Daniel Ponce de Leon, Eloy Jimenez rookie, and a Luis rookie. And moving on to the X Factors. Nope. We got a few rookies, but all right, here we go. These ones are extra sparkly. Kyle Hendricks, Aaron Sanchez, Michael Givens, and a Zach Cozart. No rookies.
Bullshit. So I tell you, it's probably pack number 8 had it. We probably had another one.
Luis Brinson, Whit Merrifield, Max, Jake Cave, and we got a rookie, Michael Kopech. Oh, and we got a rookie, Jake Cave. We had a couple rookies out of that one. No. I do like how they are so sparkly, though.
Oh, yes, it does. You gonna show what you about to send out?
Yeah, we'll show it in another video, though. we can add it onto a different one. All right, guys, so that was what we got out of 2 of the TOPPS Chrome boxes, and I guess it's not that big of a difference. You might as well buy a couple of the $19.99 boxes and you might get more out of them. So that's just this this video on these. I prefer the littler boxes. There's a better chance of getting something good out of them. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will post another video probably tomorrow. I know the boys have a couple of things they want to post this weekend also, so watch out for our videos. Thanks, guys.